Let's see how we can quickly set up the Conversios Google Analytics 4 app to your Shopify web store. Once you install the app, you'll be redirected to the setup page. Click on Get Started to start the configuration. As the first step of the configuration, you will have to integrate your Google Tag Manager account. There are two options to do. 1. You can use the Conversios default container. 2. You can use your own container. To set up your own container, click on Sign in with Google. You will see a pop-up window. Be sure to sign in using a Google account that has admin access to Google Tag Manager. Click on Select All to provide complete access and other information to use the app's functionality, and click on Continue. Once you have enabled all the required permissions and signed in with your Google account, you will be able to see all Google Tag Manager accounts linked to your Google account. Select the specific GTM container ID you wish to link and hit Connect to complete the setup. If you want to create a new container, click on Create New Container, select the GTM account from the drop-down, and hit Create. You will see the new container created. Click Connect to complete the setup. As a second step of configuration, you will have to integrate your Google Analytics. Click on Sign in with Google. You will see a pop-up window. Be sure to sign in using a Google account that has admin access to Google Analytics. Click on Continue to provide complete access and other information. Once you have enabled all the required permissions and signed in with your Google account, you will be able to see all Google Analytics 4 account IDs linked to your account. Select the specific GA4 account ID you wish to link and similarly select the required measurement ID from the drop-down. Then click on Connect to move further to the next step. Additionally, before moving to the next step you will have to activate the plan. Click on Activate Plan and approve the same to move to the next step. The third step is to enable checkout and purchase events. You will have to copy the purchase event snippet as shown here. Once you click on Copy Code, you will get a pop-up confirming the code is copied. Now navigate to Settings, Customer Events. Here you will have to create a custom pixel. Add a pixel name and paste the code that is copied and click on Save. The next step is to connect the pixel by clicking on the Connect button as shown here. Once you have connected, click on I have successfully pasted the above purchase snippet under Settings, Customer Events, and click on Next. The final step is to activate eCommerce events, where you will have to activate the blocks by clicking on Activate Blocks. You will be redirected to a different page where you can see the app blocks to be enabled. You can just enable both blocks and click on Save. Then you may have to click on this button and click on Done, which confirms the successful setup. Here you will be able to see the complete list of integrations, the Tag Manager account, and Analytics account that you have integrated. If you want to edit anything, you can just click on this Edit button and click on how to make those necessary changes here. Thank you for watching.